nĩ ngemi ire kugwa iguru na umuthi ti cia guciarwo gwa Gakenge no indi ni cia gukungwira Kameme TV gukinyia mwaka umwe kumareria menyuge ya ceceni ino yambiririe gukinyira eroreri cigo-ini ciothe cia bururi na nja ya itoka cia bururi.
Happy birthday Kameme, happy birthday to you.
Gaturu ka uhoro gakinyanira hindi ya urengi wa keki ukurugamiriri wa kamboni ya Media Max Orogoretio na murugamiriri munene Ian Fernandez ukirira mwiroreri guthie na mbere na ngogo ya tafarira na wiroreri wa mwanya o muthenya.
We've come a long way. We had an initial objective that we set out. It worked very well, and we continue to improve with the Kameme product. And today, 1 year later, we have made great strides.
It has been a beautiful journey from where we were to where we are today. Look at your faces and look at your skills. And you can tell there's a difference, isn't it? So we thank God this body has brought us.
Hari mieri 12 mihituku Kameme TV ikagwetwo gukura na njira nene. Munene wa muhoro ceceni-ini no Caroline Wambui akigwetwo ndu ta maumirira ma unyitaniri wa anyititemi othe ceceni-ini no undu umwe na kamboni e yothe.
Entertainment time has become so fragmented. What is important for TV stations is to how to get a share of that time.
Durari wira muhuthu no nituranyitanire wega fiu amemerekia andikia mohoro na nene aitu turathondeka ceceni andu mangirorera na ceceni andu marakenerera muno na maundu macio mothe no guoko kwa Ngai tutingirahotire tutari na Ngai na tuigite Ngai mbere itu maundu ni mothe.
Some of us were too green, but we have grown, we have learned so much.
Kwa niaba ya team nzima ya Kameme TV, all I can say is thank you very much. And it's just the beginning. The baby just began to walk. We are sure that at some point we'll fly.
Thegia eroreri gukorwo makiamukira tabarira cia mwanya kuma Kameme TV hingure mirango yao ya umemerekia undu akinya muthia indi riu atanyitwo kuhe uiroreri wake cama ona makiria o muthenya wegera.
Tumuharirie ibindi njeru mwaka uyu ture expect indo ni gutwika even better than what we had last year. Ibindi njeru, products njeru, andu Kameme ni mugukena muno ni indo iria tukumurehera on air.
Mwaka uyu nituguka kuumuri in the roots tukamenya kuumure muraikara mathina manyu ni mariku niki mukenagirira kuu kwanyu na niki atongoria anyu mangithondeka na tukahota ningi guthie na mbere na guteithia andu.
Onao eroreri kuma ituri ciothe cia bururi matinatigwo na thutha makionania gikeno kiao kumareria Kameme TV yambiriirie.
Na twamu wish birthday njega na recommend andu thiini wa bururi wa Kenya meroragire ibindi cia Kameme TV tondu ni tukuragia na mohoro mao ni mohoro maturehagira maundu maingi.
Guku Mombatha ni tumenyithagia uria thoko ko ni Nairobi kurathie guku uria kurathie mundu akamenya uria guku connect biashara yake.
Ni Karavision ni tukenetie muno tondu ibindi cia ni ciendete muno especially gibindi kirehagwo ni Gatonyi wa Mbugua men gibindi gitagwo Nditimurano.
Kameme TV ni koretwo kana ni gakoretwo kari kega makiria ni tondu hindi ciothe gutiri hindi kari kaga kuoneka nginya rira ringi iria ingi ikuhora ko gatiri kahora muthenya ona umwe.
Guku ikiro cia maundu igithukiro kwagirira o muthenya mwaka wa keri gwatanyota mwaka ukwa ndandora wiroreri wa ceceni ino ya Mugikuyu na mwiroreri wo wothe mwendiro thio miruru.
Nido mwendete
Tugitara mwaka umwe kumariria Kameme TV yathire riera-ini ri mwiroreri wa Kameme TV ari na mwihoko wa ibindi njega makiria na mohoro maitheranu gukuna ithuĩ kuma Kameme TV tukimwira ati ni tumwendete. Hadini ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataru wa Mwangi.